2018 Toyota Tundra Review. The 2018 Toyota Tundra finishes towards the bottom of our truck S because its engines aren't that powerful, and has now lower towing and hauling capacities than rivals. Most classmates have observed recent redesigns, offering them a more upscale and modern feel. New for 2018. Toyota Safety Sense package now standard. Regular cab not available. TRD Pro trim discontinued. Pros and cons. Spacious rear seats. User-friendly infotainment system. More standard security features than rivals. Lower towing and hauling capacities than rivals. Fewer engine options than competitors. Lacks rivals' smartphone integration features. Higher base price than classmates. The 2018 Toyota Tundra is unique from the crowd with regards to performance, and not necessarily in a very good way. While rivals give you a wide variety of powertrains, the Tundra only provides you with a choice between two V8s. And because the engines are really large, the Tundra can't provide above-average fuel economy. The Tundra rides more stiffly than a number of other full-size pickups, therefore it may feel cumbersome on winding roads. Every Tundra incorporates a V8 engine. The base engine can be a 4.6-liter V8 that pumps out 310 horsepower and 327 pound-feet of torque. It has enough power for many tasks. Nevertheless, the larger 5.7-liter V8 is a lot more useful. It produces 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque. It's responsive and powerful, plus it's the engine you want to unlock the Tundra's maximum towing capacity. Both engines are mated to your slick-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. The Tundra gets worse fuel consumption than many competitors, though for being fair, a great many other trucks offer V6 and turbodiesel powertrains, which tend being more efficient. This Toyota gets an EP estimated 15 miles per gallon inside the city and 19 miles per gallon traveling with the base engine. The larger V8's ratings are slightly worse, 1,318 miles per gallon city highway. Rear-wheel drive is standard inside the Tundra, and four-wheel drive is accessible. Steering is precise. Despite the fact that the Tundra is a bit more maneuverable than you may expect, it's still sluggish around turns. The ride is stiffer than rivals' rides. It's not absolutely uncomfortable, however it doesn't absorb road imperfections that well. The 2018 Toyota Tundra has attractive cabin and appearance high-end in the beginning, but there are a few minor details during the entire cabin, lower quality materials and ill-fitting trim, that ensure that it stays from really feeling upscale. It's also noisy on occasion. The front seats are supportive, plus the rear seats are roomier compared with some other trucks. There are several standard driver assistance features, and also the infotainment technique is user-friendly. For 2018, the Tundra not offers the 3-seat regular cab. Instead, all Tundra models are double cab or Crew Max models, which seat 56 depending on whether you have the available bucket seats or stick using the standard front bench. Cloth upholstery comes standard. Available features include leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, and heated and ventilated front seats. The Tundra's front seats are supportive. They're especially comfortable within the upper trim levels. The rear seats and a choice of cab there are ample room for adult passengers, and there's more legroom than you'll discover in some competitors. The Crew Max cab's rear seats are spacious. The Tundra features two full groups of latch car seat connectors within the rear seats. They are not a great setup, because the tether anchors can be tough to find and easily mistaken for other hardware. Once you've spotted the connectors, things obtain a bit easier. Though many people may think the low anchors are buried too deep inside the seat, most will see it not too difficult to strap inside a car seat. Securing the seat at any anchor point requires minimal force. Standard features inside Tundra include push-button start, a 6-speaker head unit, Bluetooth, a rear-view camera, along with the in-tune infotainment system that has a 6.1-inch touchscreen, voice recognition, a USB port, and Siri's free. For 2018, Toyota's Safety Sense comes standard. It is usually a suite of driver assistance features that also includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and pedestrian detection. Available features include dual-zone automatic climate control, an electricity moonroof, a 12-speaker JBL head unit, with an upgraded in-tune system using a 7-inch touchscreen display screen, HD radio, satellite radio, smartphone app integration, and navigation. Available driver assistance features include blind spot monitoring, back and front parking sensors, and rear cross-traffic alert.